how to create a sequence in Premiere Pro. There are two ways to do it. You can either right click on the footage and say new sequence from clip. So it will use the same dimensions, the same frame rate to create your sequence. Or you can go down to this little new item and click sequence and choose the options of the sequence settings that you want. I have two of them saved that I use a lot, 4K dimensions and just like your standard settings right here. And then you title it what you want it to be titled, how to start a Premiere Pro sequence. And then you can drag the footage from there. And if it doesn't match up, you can still say, that's okay, keep existing settings from the sequence that you created. That's how you create a Premiere project sequence file. So I should specify, so a project file inside of Adobe Premiere is this entire project, the entire thing. A sequence is the linear line of footage being lined up. So when you're creating a new, oftentimes I feel like you can think, I've seen people struggle with, oh, I want to create a new project, like a new little subtask right here. But you're really creating a sequence right there, like in the timeline. So you can also click up here, File, New. You don't want to do a new project because that would be, again, this is the project. And there's going to be autosave files that will go in there. You'll want to create File, New, Sequence, and define the settings that you want. Would there be 4K? There's a lot of great preset ones right here. Typically, I would just say 23.976 frames per second is what you would want. And then the frame size, whether that be 4K or 1080p, you can decide that. So that is how you start a Premiere project sequence. I help creative entrepreneurs scale their side hustle. If that's interesting to you, check out more videos on my channel.